Hiya guys, welcome back to the Italian Guy channel. Today, Italian stuffed meatloaf, better known as polpettone. It's keto because there are no potatoes inside. Some people put potato, no potato is 100% keto. And with spinach, baby leaves spinach, I put them raw. I didn't cook them before putting in the polpettone. I don't want to talk too much. See the video and you will let me know in the comments. Enjoy! So to make our Italian stuffed loaf meat or polpettone, I use two different kind of meat, mince meat and turkey mince. And you can use whatever you want. I think that this gives more taste to the product. Squeezed lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil. Be careful on the label. They use, sometimes those oils have got a blend of refined olives and mechanical separated olives, whatever it is. So be careful. Just use pure extra virgin olive oil. A pinch of salt. I didn't add too much salt because I'm going to put parmesan and some Italian salami, so it's better to keep low with salt. And that's my marinade. Italian herbs, a blend of Italian herbs. There was oregano was missing, so I added it as well. Yeah, oregano. And then we just mix all those ingredients together. That's my preferred marinade. Let me see in the comments. Tell me in the comments what is yours, so we can exchange ideas and I can try your marinade. The important thing is to marinate the meat before cooking it. It gives more taste and makes the meat softer. Leave it for 1 hour at least, so that the meat can absorb the dressing. So 1 hour later, we are ready to make our wonderful Italian polpettone. So as first ingredient, we add the parmesan. I used 150 grams and the meat is 1 kilogram, 500 and 500. Grated parmesan, 3 eggs. Those doses are to taste, so if you'd like to use less or more parmesan or 2 eggs rather than 3, just feel free to do it. Of course, it shouldn't affect too much the taste of the final product. So let's mix well the ingredients. Let's combine the eggs and the parmesan to the dough, the marinated dough. I don't know if I can call it like this, but anyway, the minced meat that was marinated 1 hour before. So we combine all the ingredients, all the flavors. And if you notice, I already put a parchment paper sheet on the table. So this way it will be easier to roll the meat, the polpettone, and put it straight into the oven. If you want, you can use a rolling pin with another parchment paper on the top. I prefer to use my hands. I have more contact, so to say, more feeling. Okay, so here is the polpettone was completely stretched on the parchment paper. Now I'm going to stuff it. I used raw baby leaf spinach, as you can see. Of course, I washed them properly. Later in the video, I will tell you why I did this. Anyway, I am an offbeat person, so I don't like following what others do. I try to put my own expertise in what I do. And all the recipes I've seen on the internet, even Italian ones and English ones, they cook the spinaches. I didn't do that. And as you have seen in the introduction of the video, the spinach were cooked. Be sure to leave some spaces around the borders, so it will be easier for you when you have to roll the polpettone and seal the borders. so that the spinach leaves won't bother you in this operation. Yeah, I left some spaces, as you can see, around the borders. Now it's time to stuff it. I used Italian salami, a collection I bought from Lidl. This is raw Parma ham. This is capocollo. I don't know it called exactly. Always part of some part of the pig, the pork, and some salami. They're really nice, very nice, delicious. Feel free to stuff it as you wish. I didn't put boiled eggs because I didn't want to overboil 2 times. One and then one in the cooking of the meat cooking. So I didn't want to put any eggs. But feel free. Let me know in the comments below, please, how you stuffed it. I really want to know. It will be interesting to exchange ideas. Roll it and be careful to seal the two parts, the borders, the combining parts, because we put a lot of parmesan in the recipe and this could melt easily and overflow all around the oven. So be sure to seal the borders. And this is the bacon on the top. And here we are, guys. So I put the baby leaf spinach raw inside because when they would be cooked twice in the water or steamed, and then in the polpettone, in the meatloaf. And honestly, I prefer to keep them raw so that they would be cooked inside their own vegetation water and the water that release the meat. The meat releases during the cooking time. And there are no raw spinach leaves in the final product. I just want to show it to you. Here you are. Here it is in all its beauty. Yeah, I hope the camera will... So I put some bacon, can I say, I don't have the word right now, on the top, so that it's fully keto, 70%, 75% of fat in this lifestyle. Let me know if you do something else, maybe if you can put some almond flour on the top, and before just brush it with a lard or butter, and then you can sprinkle with almond flour, so that to have a kind of a crust. Let me know how you stuffed it. I prefer to avoid cheese. I only use hard cheese like Parmesan. I don't use soft cheese. Yeah, and that's it. If you liked it, subscribe, please, and share it with your friends. I would really appreciate. I want to go to 1,000 followers, and I need definitely more English followers. I have a lot of Italian followers at the moment. And stay tuned, because I'm experimenting the pasta. I know that there are some other channels on YouTube, some other recipes of keto pasta. I want to make my own. And I would like to know your comments about it when I do it. That's it. So I have nothing else to say. Enjoy the polpettone. Goodbye.